This video will show you what to do if your Dell laptop is running extremely slow or even lagging. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager from the list. In the Task Manager window, you'll first need to go to the Startup Apps tab. Now click on the status column and you will see a list of apps that are configured to run as soon as you turn on your Dell laptop. Now if you have too many startup apps, it will not only slow down the boot time, but these apps will continue to run in the background even when you are not using them. So the best way to fix this is to simply select the apps that you don't want and then choose this disable option from here. You will need to do this for all the useless apps that you see on this list. Once you have done this, go to this processes tab right here. Now here you will see a list of apps that are currently running on your PC. If you don't want a specific app, simply right click it and then select this end task option to close it immediately. However, if you don't want to close your browser, let's say, you can expand this and then look for tabs that are using the most CPU or memory. Once you find the tab, simply right click it and then choose end task to close it immediately. This will instantly make your Dell laptop run a little smoother. Next, you need to open the settings app on your Dell laptop. Now here go to this system tab right here. Now here go to power and battery. Now in this menu, click on power mode. Now set the power mode to best performance. Once you have done this, go back to the system tab, scroll down and then click on storage. Now here make sure your Dell laptop has at least 10% of free storage space. If it doesn't, click on this temporary files option and then remove all these temporary files to free up storage space. Once you have done this, close the settings app and then head to the search menu. Now type in adjust and you will see this option that says adjust the appearance and performance. Select it. Now in the performance options window, you will need to select this adjust for best performance and then hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, the last thing you need to do is head to the search menu and then type in defrag. Now select this defragment and optimize drives option. Now select your C drive and then click on optimize. Now simply wait for the process to complete and then restart your Dell laptop. Once you do this, your Dell laptop should run smoothly without any lag or slowness. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.